Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Jamie here. And it is Saturday. I know it's an unusual day for me to be doing my Facebook Live. Hopefully you can hear me. Give everybody a few minutes to join in. As people walk in the door today, I will be blowing my mask up. We have a few tables, so I have to be conscious of people coming in and walking around. But I wanted to make sure that I did a happy hour live, cocktail time live with Jamie. I haven't done one all week, so thank you everybody for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching me. If you're watching this live, put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Thanks everybody for tuning in today on this beautiful Saturday for the end of November. Hope everybody had an awesome Thanksgiving. I'm sorry that I haven't been on all week. Sorry that it's a little bit noisy in here right now. We are busy for a Saturday. We only have 7 tables inside, so I do recommend making reservations, calling ahead. Right now, we only have 1 table available at the current moment, and it will be busy throughout the night. So if you can give me a thumbs up, just so I know you can hear me okay, that would be awesome. So hello Lynn, hello Sabrina, hello Ralph. Thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. We're gonna make this kind of quick today. Tomorrow we have a shrimp and mussel Thai curry special for $9.99 to go. That is available on Sunday. Monday is our buy one get one free wings. That is to go as well. Hello Kelly. Thank you everybody. So we are doing a $9.99 special tomorrow night, shrimp and mussel green curry with rice on the side, and Monday is buy one get one free wings to go. So those are both to go specials for Sunday and Monday. And our grocery store is still available. You can still come in. You can still buy wine and spirits. I see some people walking in, so they need me for a minute. Hold on 1 second. 6 top? Yes, did you explain to them? So we are doing outside dining, but we do not have a staff outside. So if you need something, you can come in, you can order inside, and we'll bring it out to you. But our inside is open. Outside, we can light one of the heaters for you and make you as comfortable as possible. But we are not doing full service outside, so we just have to, I want everybody to understand that they do need to come in order. If we do have staff, I'd be happy to send somebody out there for you, but coming into the winter months, I have to be careful of labor, and I have to keep my labor down, so you never know what the weather is going to be and if people are going to want to sit outside. So to have too much staff, nobody's making money, and I don't want to I don't want to overstaff and I don't want to understaff. So it's kind of a balancing act right now. It's been like that all summer. It's been like that all year, actually, since March. Just a balancing act of figuring out how much staff we actually need. Let's see. So we just got these delicious panettone breads from Italy that just came in. This one is with Prosecco. And this is traditionally made. It's a bread, typically good for the holidays. They're $32 a piece. They are available here at Aromatime. Take it home, enjoy it. This is awesome. It's like a fruit-filled. It has Prosecco. It goes great for dessert. It's an awesome thing. We are still doing, we have a ribeye special going on. That will end soon. It's $2 off a pound, so it's $15.99 a pound. For ribeyes, we put 3 in a pack. Our grocery store is still available, so I am going to be making today a ginger pomegranate paloma. So I'm going to start with my glass. I'm going to fill it with ice. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of tequila. So it's 2 ounces of tequila. Oh, Marcus, can you grab me the pomegranate juice? About half an ounce of lime juice. I'm going to add a splash of ginger liqueur. And I'm going to add a drop of organic pomegranate juice. A drop of grapefruit juice. Sorry, you can't really see it. So far, there you have it. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of ginger beer. which is a non-alcoholic. Just a little splash top off there. And there you have it, a ginger pomegranate paloma. So pomegranate juice, grapefruit juice, lime, ginger liqueur, tequila, and ginger beer. A traditional paloma is grapefruit juice and tequila. I think it might have some lime juice in there as well. I've had it frozen before, out and about, but this is awesome. Oh, that's really nice. So thanks everybody for watching me today. Sorry that I'm a little quick. Hello Gretchen, hello Dina, hello Dave up in Rochester. Thank you everybody for watching me. Sorry it's kind of quick today. I did get busy in here. We open at 3 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays, but for some reason everybody waits to call or come in at 3 o'clock. So our phones were ringing off the hook at 3. I answer the phones 24/7, or someone in the restaurant answers 24/7. So if you need to make a reservation, you can call earlier to make a reservation. Hillary said palomas are my favorite. This is a ginger pomegranate paloma. It's really awesome. Thank you. I will stay safe. Thank you. Let's see, Liliana, I think it is. Thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. And let's see, I'm going to sign off. Maybe I'll try to get on again tomorrow. Pay attention. Tomorrow we have shrimp and green curry, shrimp and mussel green curry to go, $9.99. Monday, it's buy one, get one free wings. Please call ahead, 647-3000. We are doing takeout. We do have dine-in, limited tables. We'd love to have you dine with us, and hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Hope everyone had an awesome Thanksgiving. Hope everybody is safe out there, and I will try to get on tomorrow and do another Facebook Live, and Marcus and I will get back to our Wine Time Live hopefully on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. We had a really, really busy week, so we had some people calling and saying, are you okay? Are you okay? I haven't seen you all week. Yes, we're fine. Yes, we're open. It's just been a very crazy week for us. And I just want to thank everybody for your awesome support. It's been great. Groceries are still available. Start stocking your freezers coming into the winter time. And we'll see everybody hopefully tomorrow. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.